Good morning. Oh, look at this neat little machine that just came in. This thing's pretty sick, eh? CanAm Commander. What a beautiful little machine these things are. He hit something. Notice there's no bumper on there. And it got absolutely destroyed. So, I'm going to cut it apart. Well, I've actually already cut it apart and re-straightened everything. The really bent section I just removed. I'll just replace it. That's that piece right there. And then that piece there is just reclaimed so that it's ready to go back on, just like it was factory. And yeah, we'll just put it back together. We'll weld it up and she'll be like new again. Okay, there it is. Bumper has been cut apart and rebuilt, and now it looks like it was supposed to be there. Turned out pretty good. Another one done. New battery. Started.